Hi guys, welcome to Crayola's Craft and Learn with me, Miss R from iHeartCrafts.ca. I'm so excited that you're joining me in the studio today so that we can craft together. And today's session is in honor of World Origami Day, which is celebrated on November 11th. Now, for those of my friends who don't know what origami is, let me tell you. So origami is the Japanese art of folding paper into different shapes. Have you ever seen a paper airplane before? Yeah, that is origami. Now today I am going to be showing you how to make a dog, a whale, a hedgehog, and a cat. And we're going to be doing all of this using Crayola's construction paper. So gather all the supplies that are listed in the caption below and let's begin. Alright folks, let's begin with the dog. I am going to use brown construction paper this time. Last time, as you can see, I used yellow. And to start with, I have a rectangular sheet of paper and I need a square shape. So what I'm going to do first and foremost is take this end over here, bring it over to this side. And once you feel like it's lined up perfectly, you're going to press this side down. And now all we need to do is get rid of this section. And it's really easy to do that. What you're gonna do is bring over your ruler, line it up, press it down, and then pull. And there you go, you have a perfect square. Now making the dog is really easy. So what you're gonna do is fold your paper back like this, take this end, fold it down at an angle, do the same thing on the other side. So those are the dog's ears. Now I'm going to bring over my painter's tape so we can hold it all in place together. So here I have a small piece of tape. I'm just folding it so all the sides are sticky. Place it in the spots that you want. In this case, I'm placing it under both the ears. And I'm going to take one more piece and I'm going to stick it right over here, just like that. Now to make the nose and mouth, I'm just going to lift the corner up like this and then make a crease. And I'm going to bring another piece of tape and just place it right behind it. There you go. Now let's bring over the googly eyes. We're going to attach these using some school glue. Now we're going to cut out a tongue from a piece of red construction paper. And while I am cutting, let me share with you a really cool fact about dogs. Did you know that dogs are super smellers? Their noses are so powerful that they can detect scents that are not even perceptible to humans. That's why they're so good at finding stuff. Okay, now I'm just gonna curl the tongue with a pencil, just on one end, slightly, and I'm just gonna bring over a piece of tape and just stick it in there. And now I want you to bring over your black marker and we're gonna add some finishing touches. We're gonna draw the nose and some dots. Ta-da! How easy was that? All right, let's do the hedgehog next. So for this one, you're gonna turn your paper around horizontally and you are going to make a little fold like this. And then we're going to fold the paper in this way. Now I want you to bring over a pair of scissors and we are going to cut along this crease, and we're only going to cut up to the point where the lines intersect. Just like that. Bring over your glue stick. Apply some glue on this side. And we're just going to glue this down. Now in this section, I want you to draw the hedgehog's head. So just that part. So I have my pencil and I'm going to draw, and then I'm going to go over it with a marker. And now we're going to cut around this. And while we're cutting, here's a cool fact about hedgehogs for you. Did you know that hedgehogs have over 5,000 spines on their backs? When they feel scared, they just curl up into a ball. All the spines stick out, which make it really hard for any predator to eat them. Now, I want you to flip this paper over this way, and we're just going to fold like this. And we're going to fold again, and again, and one more time. And now let's open this up. Now we've got a bunch of creases, and this will make it easy for us to do an accordion fold. Once you're done the accordion fold, just gather it all up together and fold it in the middle like this. Just pinch it and put some glue right over here. There you go. Next up is the cat, and for this we also need a square sheet of paper. So I'm just going to cut off this excess. All right, now we're going to fold this side like this and do the same thing on the other side like that. I'm going to bring over my painter's tape to hold this down. Okay, and now we're also going to fold this side in. Let's tape that down as well. And this is the side we're going to use to draw our cat. So let's bring over a black marker and add some details like the cat's ears, nose, mouth, and whiskers. And while we're doing this, I have a cool fact about cats and their whiskers for you. Did you know that cats' whiskers are special sensors? They help them know if they can fit through tight spaces without getting stuck. How cool is that? Alright, now let's add some googly eyes. Just bring over your school glue and just simply stick them on. There you go. Alright, last but not least is Mr. Whale, and we're gonna need a square sheet of paper for this one as well. So we're just gonna cut that excess off. And here is our perfect square. So let's turn the paper around this way, and let's start by folding the right side like this. Just press that down, and then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Let's fold the pointy part up and form a nice crease. And then we're gonna fold one side onto the other, just like this. This is going to be the body of our whale. To make the tail, let's fold this part upward and press it down really hard to form a nice crease. And then we're gonna reinforce this by flipping it over and folding the crease on the other side. This is very important. Okay, now this part's a bit tricky, so you want to watch, okay? You're going to open up the tail, push it in, like this, like that. I'm going to show you that one more time, okay? So this is where we were at. Okay, we formed a crease here, formed a crease here, right? Now we're gonna open this up, push this part in, like this. Okay, now I'm gonna bring over my painter's tape and add a couple of pieces on the inside. Now I want you to bring over your scissors, make a little cut. Now for the very last step, let's add a smile using a black marker and a googly eye. And while I'm doing this, let me share with you a cool fact about whales. Did you know that whales can hold their breath underwater up to 60 minutes? There are also some whales that can hold their breath up to 90 minutes. How cool is that? Ta-da! Alright my friends, that is it from me for today. I had the best time crafting with you guys. I hope you had fun too. Let me know in the comment section which of these animals was your favorite. If you have any questions, you can leave those in the comment section as well. If you end up recreating this craft, make sure you tag us using the hashtags and the handles that are mentioned right over there. And I will see you next time. Until then, bye!